Hey guys, Sophia here. So long time no see. I don't even know how long it's been. But anywho, today I am going to show you something super cool. Here it is. This right here is called a Stapelia, and here's a bloom that's gonna open up by tomorrow. This guy is also known as an African starfish. It is a succulent. So, oh, this is so funny. It's in this nice little 6-inch pot and it started to flop over. So I was like, you know what can I do? So I put another pot right next to it and let the side or the shoots that's flopping over root into this pot. So now I'm like, should I cut it? Should I let it stay? What should I do? Well, at first I was debating on cutting it right there so I can give this to a friend. But then I'm like, the flower really stinks. She's not gonna like it. So I've decided to get a bigger pot. I filled it with the cactus and succulent soil. Check this out. Oh yeah. Alrighty, it's out, guys. And now it's back in. Okay, let's see. Ooh. We're almost done. So I'm watering this a little bit because whenever you transplant anything, it's gonna go through a little shock because the root's exposed and you just want to give it some TLC and water it is. Whew. You know what, guys? I'm gonna give this giant bloom something to set on so it won't get all dirty, because I want it to look pretty for you guys and for me too. Rock it is. Let's see. Okay guys, what does this look? Again, this is a 16 or 17-inch terracotta pot, cactus and succulent soil, and a beautiful Stapelia. Alright guys, have a great rest of your day. Bye. Okay, as promised, one day later, check this out. Look at how gorgeous this flower is. It is huge. It's, gosh, I would say it's about 10 inches across. And in the inside, you can see little hairs. And guys, supposedly this flower is supposed to smell really bad, but I can't smell it. Alright guys, for real, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye.